Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft. Servers are down, problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just open File Explorer and then go to this PC. Now just go to your system disk and then go to Windows. After that scroll down until you find here System 32, and once you're here all you need to do just search for just type it like that and then click enter. Now just click on it. Now go back to your desktop and create a new folder, name it backup. Now just put this folder, right click and then click cut and put it here just for backup and then click continue. And now just wait and your problem must be fixed. Just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.